This is coco peat or coco core. You can get this at any hardware store or garden shop. I ordered mine online and it's only a few bucks for a block of this stuff, and it goes a long way. I'll show you what I mean. All you need is a little piece like this. Set it in your container and just add water. We're gonna nestle our baby seeds right into the coco peat. We're gonna plant some red basil and some little gem lettuce. We're gonna give them a spritz of water, put the lid on, and put them in a nice warm place, and you'll have some sprouts in a few days. It's time to transplant. Let's get her done. Don't throw away your coco peat once you're done, because you can reuse it over and over and over. I've used my coco peat 4 times in a row starting seeds. Make sure your roots are touching the water. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.